Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jwala Choras here, and today we are gonna solve the problem which came into Starters 202. The name of the problem is buying flowers and the problem code is FLOWERBUY. The difficulty rating of the problem is cakewalk in the prerequisite is at all. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says chef wants to buy n, where n is greater than equal to 2 flowers. He can either pay 4 coins and receive 2 flowers or pay 5 coins and receive 3 flowers. Both types of transaction can be repeated as many times as is like. Find the minimum number of coins chef needs to pay to buy exactly n flowers. Input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. Each test case consists of single line containing one integer n, the number of flowers chef wishes to buy. Output format. For each test case output on a new line, the minimum number of coins chef needs to pay to buy n flowers. Constraint for t lies from 1 to 100, for n lies from 2 to 100. So guys, now let's understand the sample test case in the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is pretty much straightforward. It says that chef wants to buy n flowers where n is always greater than equal to 2. He can either pay 4 coins and receive 2 flowers and either pay 5 coins and receive 3 flowers. So any of those transactions are possible any number of times. Okay. So we have to find the minimum number of coins chef needs to buy exactly n flowers. Okay, now let's take the first test case. In the first test case, you have got ns2. Okay, so you will use 4 coins because that could be the minimum. You can't use 5, right? So in 4 coins, you get 2 flowers. So output is 4. So yeah, so you can see it is 4 over here, right? Now let's take the other, that is 3. So for 3, I will use simply 5 coins because for 5 coins, you can directly receive 3 flowers. So output is 5. Now let's go for 5. Okay. So there are, like, for this test case, you can say chef can buy 2 flowers for 4 coins. Yeah. And 3 flowers for 5 coins. So basically 2 plus 3, which is equals to 5. Yeah. Or and flowers cost would be 4 plus 5, which is equals to 9. So output is simply 9. So guys, I think the test cases are pretty much clear. Now let's move towards the simple solution. So we have to observe that it's never optimal to purchase the pack of 2 flowers 3 or more times. This is because buying it 3 times gives 6 flowers for a cost of 12 coins, whereas we would instead obtain 6 flowers using 10 coins by buying 3 pack twice. This means in an optimal solution, chef will buy the 2 pack flower of flowers at most 2 times, right? So now we can simply try to buy the 2 pack either 0, 1, or 2 times and see if the 3 pack will cover the remaining flowers, which is possible. And if and only if the remaining flowers count is divisible by 3. Try all the 3 options and take the best one. In fact, it can be observed that only one option will work at all. That is, there are unique choices of 0 where x lies from 0 to 2, such that n minus 2x is divisible by 3. So rather than try all options and take the minimum, we can just find this unique valid options and compute its cost. So guys, I think the solution is pretty much clear. Now, let's move toward the simple C++ code. So guys, this is my simple C++ code. Yeah. Uh, yeah. So over here you can see that, guys. Wait. Yeah. I took the input for all the test cases, and I took the input for n, and I initialize answer equal to 0. I'm running a while loop and doing my operation, and at the last I'm simply printing my answer. And as you can see that, guys, I have got my C++ code right. Now let's move toward the simple Python code. So guys, this is my simple Python code. Yeah, and you can see I took the input for all the test cases as well as n. I initialize answer equal to 0. I'm running my while loop and doing my operation, and at the last I am simply printing my answer. And as you can see that, guys, I have got my Python code right. So guys, I think the solution, the code and the approach was pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our videos.